Hey guys, hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can wrap your text into any shape in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to use a circle, and you can also, hold on, let me just do this first. Divide it into like a different shape. So you can use the paintbrush tool for it. And then I'm just going to do this like wave. Hold on, I'll do a better wave. Oh my god. Hello. Okay, I think that's good enough. Select both and then go to Windows and open up Pathfinder, and you're just going to select divide. Where is it? Is it this one? Yeah. And then I'm just going to select and group, and then I'm just going to divide them in half. Like that. And then here's where you can add in your text. I'm just going to type in summer time or summer waves. I don't know. You can also change the font if you'd like to change it to like maybe this kind of vibe. Oh, let's do that one actually. I'm just going to make sure they're on top of the object, so going to front, and then I'm going to bring this down, select this, and then go to object, and then envelope distort, make with top object, and the same as the one in like at the bottom here. Oh my gosh, it does not look that good with this font. Let me just change it. Let's do this one. I might do the one before. Okay, let's redo this again. Envelope distort, make with top object. That's way better. You can also change the color. You're just going to select object and then expand it. Where is it? There we go. This one too. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. Here, as you can see, you can change the color of the text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.